are you today? And welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we're making a special omelette. Yes, we're making samosa omelette. Every time I go to a store, I buy this samosa, I break it apart, I take the filling because it's my favorite. So today I'm gonna make it a yummy breakfast omelette. So here, yellow potato pre-washed, and I'm gonna use it with the skin on. So about 1/4 inch thick, we're gonna slice it. We're going to dice it small dice. And we're gonna pretty much boil it in the frying pan. So add just a little bit water. And we're gonna cook it halfway before we add anything. Cover it. Now in the meantime, I'm gonna chop onion and the fresh garlic. So the onion, I'm gonna dice them as well, small dice. Garlic, smash and chop. And here I have some fresh cilantro. I'm gonna chop them. Trust me, when fresh cilantro, lime, and the cumin, they meet together, they'll give you amazing, guaranteed they'll give you amazing and tasty meal. So cilantro rough chop. Perfect. Now bring your stove to medium high and give it about a minute or so for the water to evaporate. Now I'm gonna add oil and the garlic, onion we chopped, salt and pepper. Now keep cooking until the onion are a translucent stage. Perfect, nice. And don't be afraid if the potato overcooked, because we want it a little mushy. So now it's time to add the green peas and the carrot. Now we don't want to lose the color. We want it tender, the peas, but we want to keep the color. The fresh cilantro, lime. Give it quick mix, and the spices we're gonna put almost at the end. Coriander, cumin, chili powder, looks amazing. And now let's start with the eggs. Beat the egg lightly with the fork. Make sure your frying pan preheated on a medium low. I had some vegetable oil in. Now eggs goes in. Now I'm gonna put right away the samosa filling. Looks yummy. A slice real cheddar cheese. Nice, you see that? Now don't be shy to sneak and take a look under. It's beautiful and ready to be flipped. Look at that beauty. And for the side, I always, when I make a breakfast, I always have a side vegetable or salad or fruit with it. So I'm gonna put a little oil, tomatoes, little salt and pepper. Just for 2 minutes. Handful of fresh spinach. Give it quick mix and good to be served. Omelette goes in. My tomato and spinach. Look at that beautiful samosa stuffing. Wow, I said it before and I'll say it again. When the fresh cilantro and the cumin and the lime, they meet together, guaranteed they'll give you amazing taste for your meal. So it's a samosa breakfast omelette for you guys to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.